Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nestembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nestembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
Bazalwane, good morning. Bazalwane, can we give Umpilo her flowers? Can we please give Umpilo her flowers? Because Ugirl is a child and she understands her position in the Mseleku family. Sekuhlelwe etafuleni kudiscusswa le ndaba kaSine. Not Umpilo putting it kahle nje ayibeka in a manner that makes so much sense in her age more than usisi wakhe the way acting ngakhona. Like she explained the areas of accountability that Usine needed to take, how accountability is taken, and then how do you address such issues. Ngaleso sikhathi Usine big sister mayele tshwantsa wa tse ko Sine mara ka tseno Mpilo ke ena beileng mayele for Sine hore a Sine he re batho re tsamaya so. Hi guys, no, can we give her flowers for also not taking this opportunity to belittle Umpilo? Excuse me, to belittle Usine, because she could have easily used the opportunity to belittle Usine, to talk bad about Usine, nan. But no, Ugirl wathi, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to say ukuthi mina le ngiboni better la, and then that's it. At this point, I don't care who will come defending Usine. Sine is the one that seems like get low hyberek. At this point, I don't know come back as Sine to redeem the situation. Because the only comeback for me that would redeem this situation is an apology from Usine. I don't see it happening.